And we're at the Contemporary Resort, Fantasia gift shop. Here we go.
So beautiful. You're like so beautiful. Just can't wait. I see something like I don't even.
And there's Marley. Marley, say hi. You got your stuffies on the wall. And you got a couple more on the middle. On this side you got your dolls. Let me come around the corner for you. Got a better view at the dolls. We're gonna head to the other side of the store for you. Excuse me. Then you got your checkout in the middle of the store. And you got your pins.
Okay. So just go there.
You got your lanyards to hold the pins. You got some ornaments. Coming around this corner, I'm gonna take a left so you can see the other side. I'm gonna do a big loop here. Here you got some of your clothing, as well as some mini dolls. Couple more clothing. And now we're gonna head to the next part of the store. There's some more toys. Star Wars. Some of your sets. Monsters Inc., Winnie the Pooh, Turning Red. All of those sets.
I want to go.
Some more sweaters in the elemental section. Got the cars section. And then over here you got your board game section. I'm gonna do a little turn around here. More Star Wars. Got the lightsabers. Lightsabers gonna be in almost every resort. Got your dolls. More clothing. And then you got the display rack as soon as you walk in the other side. And I'm gonna wrap it up here. Make sure you check out our website and our YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.